The coronavirus pandemic has upended daily lives. Now, there are 500,000 cases of the coronavirus in the world. The call to world leaders is growing louder. They must fight the pandemic with greater and more powerful ammunition. This is the Gravitas coronavirus tracker.
For each month of the coronavirus crisis, the world's major economies will lose 2% in GDP. This is according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. These countries stand to lose 1/3 of their GDP due to the lockdown. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive for the coronavirus. Johnson said he developed mild symptoms over the past 24 hours, including a temperature and cough. He will be working from home and would be under quarantine. British Health Secretary Matt Hancock also tested positive for the virus. Canada has opposed US President Donald Trump's proposal to deploy troops along the border. America says the intention is to stop the spread of the coronavirus. US now has more than 85,000 cases, the highest in the world, even more than China. Canada says the troop deployment is unnecessary and would damage relations between the two countries. The New York mayor has urged Trump to face the reality of ventilators. In a television interview, Trump said he didn't think New York State needs 30,000 ventilators. So far, New York State has registered more than 40,000 cases. That's half of the cases in the United States. Spain has recorded its worst day in the fight against COVID-19. The country reported 769 deaths, the largest in a single day. So far, over 4,500 people have died. 7,871 fresh cases were reported, the lowest in 2 days. Israel has become the latest country to call its military to enforce lockdown restrictions. The Israeli army will assist police on street patrols. About 500 troops will join the police in securing severely infected areas. Israel has reported more than 3,000 infections and 10 deaths. Russian military medics have started their mission against the coronavirus in the Italian city of Bergamo. They surveyed local hospitals and discussed the action plan with Italian authorities. The goodwill gesture has been named From Russia with Love. 22 truckloads of diagnostics and disinfection units were imported from Russia. Germany too is helping out Italy. At least 47 coronavirus patients will arrive from Italy and check into German hospitals. The first group of 6 Italian patients has arrived at the Leipzig airport in eastern Germany. Security has been tightened at Mexico City's supermarkets after reports of widespread looting. The police have arrested 10 people. Authorities urged residents not to resort to panic buying, assuring a supply of food and medicine. Mexico has reported 585 cases and 8 deaths. Over 300 foreign tourists stranded in Nepal have been evacuated. The tourists, mostly German, were stranded in Nepal after the government announced a week-long lockdown to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Nepal has so far confirmed 3 cases.